Welcome back, everybody, to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special, in which we're going to be playing another Game Boy game. And this time it's going to be the Wheel of Fortune. Let's see how it goes. Let's have a good game here. We won $19,000 on Jeopardy for the Game Boy a few weeks ago. Let's see what Wheel has scored. Oh, no. No. That's better. Our first round category is person, and I get to start. Top dollar value, $1,000. Let's make it count. R. And I have $2,000 because there are two R's. I think I might have a clue who this person is. Let's spin. $300. Is there a Y? There we go. N. Two N's. That's another $2,000. I'm at $4,300. $500. Let me have a K. There's one K. $400. Let me have an H. There's the H. $5,200. Well, $300. Let me have a G. One G, and I'll spin one more time. Well, I'll have an S. $6,300 at the end of the first round. Henry Kissinger. Let the S's come up. Round 2. Computer player finally gets a turn. Category for this round is going to be title. Gets a free spin. All right. $500. Yep, there's one N. And I just figured out the puzzle. Another free spin. Wow. No L. Do you want to use one of your free spins? Good move. Okay. You have another free spin if you want to use it. Good move again. That's a bankrupt. My turn. $1,000. Let me have an H. How about two of them? $2,000. $300. Let me have an S. One S, yep. Doing good here, doing good. And let's spin again. $200. I'll have an R. There's an R. And again, 200. T. And 1,000. Okay. Let me have a D. Two of them. Another $2,000 coming my way. And 400. Let me have a Y. Up to $5,100. Let's go one more. And I'll have a G. Well, that's $5,500 at the end of this round. A Hard Day's Night, which happens to be the name of a movie featuring the Beatles. And so far for the game, I've won $11,800. Let's play Speed Up. Miles worth nothing, cost us a word. Well, crummy rotten $200 a piece. The category for this round is person, and I'll start with an R. One R, and I get 5 seconds to mess around with that. It's too early. Nope. Let me have an N. And one N. Person. I still don't know it. Is there a T? Yeah, two T's. It's $800 right there. I think I know the second word, but not the first. One P. S. Nope. No V. Is there a D? One D. $1,000 right now. Medicare patient? Oh, phooey. So I have $12,800. That's how much I've won. And we're going to go to the bonus round. Chance to play for a great bonus prize. We have 5 to choose from. We have $25,000 cash. That's on a trip to Hawaii. We have a Porsche, a cruise, or a sailboat. I'm going to go for the sailboat. Okay. Person will be our category, and I'll be asked to give 5 consonants and 1 vowel. I'll do my usual RSTLNE. Load them up. I'm going to get 5 letters, so it might be enough to do it. We'll know very soon. We're going to get an R, we're going to get an E, we're going to get another E, we're also going to get another R, and an N. Okay. Frederick Chopin. That's it. That's the game.